Now I will move to a demo. So for the demo, I'll make the header of the website, and then you can copy the same file and start designing on your side, or you can start designing with me as well in the same file itself. So before I start, see, here I have a landing page which is blank. I will be designing here. Here you have all the assets. Today we will be designing a web page for the Byju's. People, you guys know about Byju's, right? So yeah, so we'll create a Byju's landing page here, and you have all the assets which will be needed to create the website. But what we will write, what is the website, what does the website do, what we will write in that website, and what are the copy of that. So for that requirement, I have created a requirement sheet. Here you will have the banner title, the three key highlights, and then you have a key benefits. And after the key benefits, you have a small pricing section, and then you have a footer. So it's very straightforward, simple website, no complications. uh, two to three sections. I'll start designing, and I will let you know how we can go ahead and start designing the landing page. Uh, First, I will make the banner section, and then I will share this file with you. You can just jump into this file, make a copy, and start designing here itself. Cool. So before I start, so every landing page has a header section. So to bring in the header, I'll go to the shape section. I will choose a rectangle, and then I'll come here and I will drag and drop, and the rectangle, I can make a rectangle. So if you will see, because if the moment I select a rectangle, my cursor changes to a plus sign, right? So one of the key thing which I have told you before also, the more you see this cursor, the better you will understand the software. So the moment I selected a rectangle, it became plus sign. The moment I have completed it, it became a move tool, this which is this, right? So now I will make this header section 136. I will make it 120. The gray is not the right color. I will make it white. That is FFFFF. So you will, the moment you will start designing, you will start learning what is white. White is FFF. Black is 000. So you will keep on learning these things. Now uh, we have the header section, but we need to define where we will be working, right? So we need to get a grid. I already have a 12 column grid, which is a 98 pixel. I'll go and turn it on. And now this is where our working area. Why we need a working area? Because the website can open in multiple devices. That is a big laptop, smaller screens, mobiles as well. So this will be a responsive landing page. For today, we will be designing only for the web. So for the web, we are taking a 98 pixel 12 column grid so that we don't go beyond our grids and create something which cannot be developed, right? So this is a very basic principle of designing any landing page which you are designing. Always follow a pixel grid or the column grid, whichever you are comfortable with. And it's always great to discuss with the developer also, but it's a good to have thing. If you don't also discuss, it's fine. And yeah, so let's get started. We have our grid, we have our header section, and we know we are designing for Byju's. So let's bring the Byju's logo here. I'll copy the Byju's logo here, and then now we want to align this Byju's logo with the our rectangle, right? So currently, if you select any element and press the option key and select and hover on any other element, you will see the distance of that element from that particular section. So here the Byju's logo is 38 pixels down and 38 pixels up from the top and bottom, and it is from the left hand side, it's 270 pixel uh, away, right? So if you want to see anytime, if you want to see what's the distance, what is the spacing, what is the padding and everything, the, just press option key, select the element, press the option key, and hover on from which place you want to see the distance, and you will be able to see it. For example, I I hovered on landing page, I can see on landing page, and then I hovered on the this particular rectangle, and I can see the distance from the rectangle. So that's how you will be able to see it. Now we have our logo. Let's start the let's create a landing banner. So again, I will go here in the shape section, select a rectangle, my cursor changes to plus, and I will just drag a simple rectangle. Okay, now this is not aligned. I will hold and align it. You can use multiple ways. Everybody has a multiple ways of designing the rectangles, or making uh, how you want to align stuff. So you can do that. You can also use the top alignment section. So for example, if you want to align this with the artboard, you simply go and you want to align it to the top. So you click here and it gets aligned to the top. In this case, we don't want to do that. We want to align it with this particular section. So we have done this. Now the banner should look very bright because it's for students. Before that, I will increase its height to 890.